Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the Pakistan Jazz internet settings for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. If you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem with the setup, let me know in the comment section. So if you're in Pakistan and using the Jazz network, this step-by-step tutorial is right for you. So this is how we're going to set each and everything up. So first step, you're going to open settings application on your device, and then once you open settings application, you're going to go and then look for what we call connections in your settings. Our goal is to access the APN settings by going to mobile networks, and then once you type mobile networks, you're going to tap access point names, and then you're going to start by tapping the three dots in the right corner and then tap reset to default. And then once you reset to default, you're going to press the plus button, and once you press the plus button, you're going to choose the APN name. You're going to use Jazz Pakistan 4G /5G, then check OK. The APN port Jazz internet, then check OK. The proxy you're going to put 10.12.0.20, then check OK. The port you're going to use 8080. The username, don't set it. The password, don't set. The server, you're going to put https:// then www.google.com, and then the MMSC, you're going to use 0.0.0.0, and then the MMS proxy, you're going to use 8.8.8.8, then check OK. The MMS port 80. The MMSC, don't put that, just leave it unset. And then the MCC, you're going to all use 5 to 5. The MN proxy, you're going to use 0 2. The authentication type, you're going to set to none. APN type, you're going to use default, comma, SUPL, comma, FOTA, then check OK. The APN protocol, IPv4, IPv6, APN roaming protocol, IPv4, IPv6. The bearer, you're going to use LTE, HRPD, EDGE, HSUPA, RXRTT, and NR. Then check OK, and then after you'll be able to save. And once you save, you'll be able to access the fast, stable, and secure connection in Pakistan. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maru's Tech and I sign out.